Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a messy bun hack on fine hair. To start, I'm going to apply some volume powder to the roots at the crown. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Next, I'm going to give that crown section a gentle tease. If you don't like back combing, you can skip this step. Once you've got everything back combed, just smooth over the top layers with the edge of your comb. Then I'm simply going to divide the hair in half and then pop each half into a low ponytail. I've also left out a little bit of hair to frame the face. Next, pinch and pull at the hair to give it more volume and texture. And starting on the left hand side, I'm going to pop a clear elastic band about 2/3 of the way down the ponytail. Then repeat on the right hand side. Next we're going to make a hole above that second elastic band, pop a couple of fingers through, grab the end of the ponytail and pull it all the way through, creating a twist. Now we're going to do the same steps, but we're going to go halfway up the ponytail on the left hand side, create another hole, pop your fingers through and pull the ends all the way through to give it another twist. Then repeat on the left hand side, create your hole, pass the ends to your fingers and pull it through. Then we're going to take a little section from the left hand side, halfway up, pop your fingers through the hole, grab the ends and again pull them all the way through. Apply some more of that volume powder over those messy twists. And then use your fingers and we're going to pinch and pull every loop and turn of those twists to give them more volume and texture. You can move that elastic band down as you go to give you more room. Then just repeat the same steps on the left hand side. Then we're simply going to take that twist and start wrapping it around the elastic band, tucking the ends underneath. Then secure it all the way around that little bun with as many bobby pins as needed. And we're going to do the same steps on the left hand side. So wrap your twists around the base of that ponytail, covering the elastic bands and tucking your ends underneath. Hold it close to the first bun and again secure with pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.